How to add or remove reduce white point to accessibility shortcut in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility. Now scroll down in last and then click on accessibility shortcut, and here you can see the option reduce white point. If you want to add your reduce white point to accessibility shortcut, then simply click on it and it will be added. And if you want to remove your reduce white point to accessibility shortcut, then simply again click on it will be removed. So this is the way to add or remove reduce white point to accessibility shortcut in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.